Hi guys, parcel from TikTok. Ito 1 and 2 and the 3. Tatlo na namang parcel ang dumating ngayon guys. Bubuksan natin. Ano-ano nga ba ito?
Go tonight. Stay here one more
What
time.
is this?
Remind me what it's like. And let's fall
This
in
is
love
ito. Ano ni? Kalo
one
ni.
more time.
T-shirts.
Need you
Rice on
now by my
Wait,
side.
kadawa.
It tears me up
Kalo ko na
when
siya.
you turn me
Try mo daw.
down. I'm begging, please, just stick around.
So, ito naman yung pagtag-init. Pag ano ka, mamasyal sa bukid.
Don't
Diba?
leave me. I want you
Iisa pa lang,
here with me.
pag ganitong yellow, iisa pa lang
I
sila.
know
Ano?
that your love is
Isa.
gone.
What is the other one? Ay, it's a
I
bag. It's a
can't
belt.
breathe. I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't
bag.
tell
Oh, belt
me
bag ito,
that
girl.
your love is gone.
Diba?
That your love is
Belt
gone.
bag. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang siya. Ay, anak pala ang open niya. Tagbo pala ang iyang kuan. Zipper. Pag ganyan, ha? What? Look. Sa belt man ni siya. Belt pa ganyan, di ba? Naganda, di ba? So, the third one, I show you. Open natin yung third one, guys. The third one is, what is this? Ay, I know what is this. Wait lang. Ito, kasi nagandahan ako dun sa patalastas. Lip care, clear to pink. Kanyan there. Subukan natin. Ay, napitaw, no? Ito man eh. Ay, yung ano, mayroon siyang ano, free. Lip care. Ayan. Wala lang talaga. Nagaya-gaya lang. Kala mo naman nagli-lipstick. Hindi naman. Wait lang guys. This is all my parcel for today. This is all my parcel for today guys. Ito. 1 2 alam nyo guys. 3 ito. Parang jacket siya ba pag magmotor or kaya manuroy sa kainitan ng panahon. Ito. Jacket. May kalo na siya. Ganyan. So that's all for today's part.